My colleague takes out a bottle of vitamins. Coworker 2. What's that? Coworker 1. Vitamin D. Coworker 2. Why do you take that? Coworker 1. Because we live in Ohio, and we never see the sun.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
Coworker 2. Wait a minute, they make a vitamin that gives you a tan.
Mr. Meth, you know how we do.
The flight attendant on our trip was handing out plastic pilot wings to some kids. As I stepped forward, she jokingly offered me one, but I passed.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Pointing to the airborne wings on my army uniform, I explained. The last time someone gave me wings, I had to jump out of the airplane.
Psych! That's the wrong number!